Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen, man who are gentle, you are welcome to watch this vlog. It is a Tuesday. It's a beautiful chilly Tuesday, and I am done with work. I have about an hour of work left when I get home to send some invoices and whatnot, but that's about it. Are you going? God damn it, son. For the love of sweet Bumblebee. This fucking guy. This fucking guy. Anyway, so yeah, what are we doing? We're riding. So, I've had some requests to do a Russian word of the day. I gotta start doing that. So first Russian word of the day is, let me get through this light here, because I feel like things are going to be happening, and then I'll be able to tell you the Russian word of the day, which is a classic. It's a must know, and the word is zhopa. All of my Russian friends will know this word, but to you and I, you and I, all my Russian people, but to Americans or non-Russian speaking people, zhopa means ass or butt. It's a word that your parents would yell at you for saying when you were a kid. But yeah, zhopa. And I don't even know how to pronounce, how to spell it. Z-H-O-P-A, zhopa. Zhopa. Yeah, that's the word of the day. So let me hear you use it in a sentence. Anywho, we're cruising now. Beyond that, fuck man, fucking work has been interesting. There's been a lot of stuff going on at work, a lot of tasks. And I am over it. I am so over it. I'm not into that. It stinks. Big stinky. And look at all these people who are taking their sweet time left and then right. That wasn't even splitting technically. That was just fucking driving. Because some people just don't have it in them. Oops. We go to the right, we go to the left, we go to the right, to the left. Yeah, just like that. We just kind of did a little Scooby-Doo, as we call it in the business. So yesterday I went to the gym, sweated it out. That was really fun. So right now I'm actually about to go to the gym as well. I'm gonna sweat some more. I am being a little princess, and I'm only doing the fun, the easy stuff at the gym. Like all the exercise that I don't want to do that I should be doing are the ones that I'm skipping and neglecting. But I think any exercise is good exercise, you know. I do like doing cardio over weights because it's easier for me, because cardio, like my legs and like my arms and cardio action, I'm totally fine. It's the weights that I'm weak at. And here we are. Look at this. We're squeezing in between cars here. It's supposed to start snowing soon. And the cold is really, somebody pointed it out very correctly. Even though right now it's like supposed to be like 40 degrees or whatever, 39 degrees, which is by far not the coldest I've ever ridden in, because I've ridden in like 17 degrees, you know, because I am that hardcore. But like today and yesterday has been so cold, just because the cold is wet, like the air is wet, it's very humid. So that chills you down to the bone. I don't like it. So tomorrow I'm gonna be taking the train more than likely, because yeah, because there's gonna be snow, and you know, I'm not that crazy. I'm not that crazy. Not as crazy as these people who don't know that there's 3 fucking lanes. Nobody knows. Only like once in a rare blue moon, do people realize that there's 3 lanes and act accordingly. Otherwise, 2 lanes is good enough. So, anywho, another quick little vlog. Oh, I sure cannot wait till the vlogs become longer and into new areas, and like, you know, upstate camping warmness. Because right now, like, I was hot before because I'm layered up, so I was like sweating, and now my back is cold and wet, so it's kind of like can't win, you know. It's like you're either too hot or too cold. So that's a problem with layering sometimes. And yes, I could have regulated my temperature better by removing some of the layers before, but I have not done so. But anywho, it's okay. Nobody's too upset. So thank you for watching the vloggy vlogs. Don't forget the word of the day, Jopa. And yeah, carry on. Carry on this beautiful, beautiful Tuesday afternoon. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.